Hey there, fellow nature lovers. Get ready to go wild with 7 adorable facts about giant pandas. These furry friends are not only super cute, but also have some pretty amazing adaptations and behaviors. Let's dive into the world of giant pandas and learn all about them. Number 1, they have giant paws. This one is a bit of an obvious one, but we couldn't resist including it because, well, just look at those paws. Pandas have a special digestive system that allows them to break down the tough fibers in bamboo and absorb all the nutrients they need. It's like they have their own personal bamboo digesting superpower. However, this superpower comes at a cost. Pandas have to eat up to 40 hours a day to get all the nutrients they need. When it comes to motherhood, giant pandas are the ultimate supermoms. After giving birth, mother pandas will often carry their babies around with them everywhere they go. They're so dedicated to their little ones that they'll even let their cubs ride on their backs while they reclimbing trees. Talk about a furry backpack. And even though giant pandas are mostly solitary creatures, mother pandas will sometimes team up with other female pandas to help raise their cubs. This is a rare sight to see, but when it happens, it's truly heartwarming. So next time you see a giant panda cub, just remember its mom is a true superhero. And even then, they only absorb about 18% of those nutrients. That means they have to eat even more bamboo than you might think. From their giant paws to their surprising swimming skills, giant pandas are truly amazing animals. And we hope you enjoyed learning all about them. Do you have a favorite fact? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun animal videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. So next time you see a giant panda, remember all that bamboo they're munching on? It's not just for fun, it's for their very survival. They're big, they're fluffy, and they're perfect for giving your human a giant panda hug. But don't be fooled by their size. Even though giant pandas are known for being solitary creatures, they can sometimes be found hanging out in groups, especially when they're not busy eating or climbing trees. When you're a giant panda, your sense of smell is your best friend. They can use their powerful sniffer to track down the nearest bamboo forest from miles away. This is super important because bamboo makes up 99% of their diet. So if they can't sniff it out, well, they're pretty much lost. In fact, baby pandas can start sniffing out bamboo before they're even born. Mother pandas have been known to carry their babies around in their mouths by their scent alone. It's like they have a built-in GPS system that leads them directly to their favorite snack. So if you ever get lost in the woods and smell delicious bamboo wafting through the air, just follow your nose and you'll find a giant panda paradise. Sometimes they just want to chill out and hang with their panda pals. And like any social group, they have their own hierarchy and rules. Male pandas are typically larger than females and will often compete with each other to establish dominance. The top male panda gets first dibs on food and the best spots for climbing. But even with all that hierarchy, pandas are still pretty chill and laid back. They're not known for being aggressive or territorial. They much prefer to spend their time eating and socializing rather than fighting. So if you ever find yourself in a group of giant pandas, just remember to be respectful and chill, and you'll fit right in. Those paws are not just for cuddles. They're also perfectly adapted for climbing trees where pandas spend a lot of their time. Their paws help them grip branches and navigate through the forest canopy with ease. So next time you see a giant panda, don't be shy. Give those paws a good sniff because they might just lead to the cutest hug ever. No. 2. They are surprisingly fast swimmers. When you picture a giant panda, you probably imagine them lumbering around on land, munching on bamboo. Giant pandas have an extra bone in their paws that acts like a thumb. This gives them an extra digit to help them grip bamboo and other plants while they re-munching on them. It's like having an extra set of chopsticks. It's pretty handy when you're a bear who loves to eat. Scientists think that this extra bone evolved because pandas are such picky eaters. They needed an extra helping hand to help them get the most out of their meals. So if you're ever eating with a giant panda, be prepared to share. They may not say thank you, but their extra finger will. But did you know that these lovable bears are also surprisingly fast swimmers? In fact, they are excellent swimmers and spend a lot of their time in the water, especially during the summer months. They love to cool off and take a dip in the local river or stream, and they're so graceful in the water, it's almost like watching a furry underwater ballet. So next time you're at the zoo and the giant pandas are in their pool, Don't miss out on this unique chance to see these adorable creatures in their element. No. 3. They have a sixth finger. Okay, maybe this one isn't so adorable, but it's definitely interesting. No. 4. They have a special digestive system. If you've ever wondered what happens to all that bamboo a giant panda eats, well, here's the answer. No. 5. They are social butterflies. Number 6. They have a special talent for sniffing out bamboo. And no. 7. They are surprisingly good mothers. Well, there you have it, folks. 7 adorable facts about giant pandas that are sure to make you fall in love with these furry creatures.